93% of high school athletes won't play in college. That's most of your team. If that's you, this is the plan. One long video, 1 hour a week, 1 week of content, start the day. You dig what I'm saying? 1 hour can make you a whole week of content. And I'm gonna show y'all kids how to do this, man. This y'all generation. Hey, go pro in something else. I'm gonna show you how to go pro online. Everybody ain't gonna go to college. Everybody ain't going to the NFL. That's just the life of it. That's reality. I played in high school, all state, went to college, all conference, undrafted to the NFL, played a year. Guess what? Even I got cut 4 days before Christmas. You dig what I'm saying? The first time I knew I could make money online was about 2 years ago. I sold my Force 999 course and it changed my mindset. If I would have knew this in high school, I would have been doing this. So I'm trying to teach this to the high school kids. Even if you're in high school right now, start recording content. Athletes, y'all already got discipline. You already going to practice. You waking up early. You going to the weight room. You already doing this in high school. It's nothing for you to make one video a week and use this system I'm not going to teach you below. You dig what I'm saying? If you learn this system right now, it's going to beat luck. You're going to be 10 times farther ahead of me by the time you get my age. I'm 36. If I would have been doing this in high school, I would have been like Mr. Beast, Casanet, and all of them. So this is y'all chance to get in that group of people right now. Start today. No scholarship, no plan, no pipeline. The silence after the season hurts. I felt it. This is the answer. Make you one long form video each week. You can do this right now while you're in college. Use Opus Clip. Cut it into reels. Post all week. Route all traffic to one page. So you need one in your high school. Go make you a t-shirt. Sell some t-shirts. You know what I'm saying? Find you a product to sell. A t-shirt, a beanie, some socks, anything. Drive the traffic to a product or a service that you can provide. Maybe you do art. Whatever it is you can monetize, start talking about it. If you like art, do pictures. If you want to make t-shirts and merch, start doing that. That's something easily you could do in high school. You know what I'm saying? Publish it daily without burning out your life. Talk about what you like to do, how you like to get money. Skills become brand. Brands become DMs. DMs become calls. Calls become cash. You never know who's looking at your content. That's why I tell you. Also, I got plenty of people that I know from high school they played sports. They didn't go. Now they got a business. They not necessarily doing it online, but you know what I'm saying? Some people got tech companies. I just talked to one of my buddies today, Mike Bell. He owns an AI company. He was a wrestler in high school. I think he went to college, but now he owns an AI company. So don't take this opportunity lightly. Make sure you really locking in and studying. This is for my high school kids, man. I want y'all to get money right now. Y'all are the future. I want y'all to be some of the richest kids in the world. It's going to be billionaire kids using this AI tech content wave that's about to come. Y'all just stay down, start recording now. All you need is your cell phone. All y'all are on y'all cell phones every day. Start posting. Stop trying to have the cool Instagrams with one or two pictures, the TikTok where you barely posting, but you stop consuming content and start producing it. Don't be the one talking about the content. Be the person, the content that they're talking about. You dig what I'm saying? So let's get it, young. The numbers, fast and cold. High school sports got about 8.2 million people. That's the pool. So it's 8 million players. Across sports, only about 6 to 7% go to play at NCAA schools. Translation, about 93% of y'all won't be playing in college. Newsflash, only about 2% of high school athletes get any athletic scholarship money. Do not build your life on a lottery ticket. You dig what I'm saying? The moment I realized that the old plan, you know what I'm saying, was working, once I got cut, I kind of knew, dang, failed dreams. I done made it to high school. I done made it to college. What I'm going to do now, this NFL, seeing how it's going is unpredictable. Like, it's a business. That's when I first got the idea, like, yeah, the players are rich, but they still work for somebody. They still at a job. That's still a 9 to 5. Even though it's a lot of people's dream 9 to 5, it's still a job because if the in this check, who's writing my check? The owners are billionaires of NFL teams. That's how they able to pay millions of dollars. You dig what I'm saying? So I want to get on their level. And that's what prompted my mind to start thinking deeper. That day I got cut 4 days before Christmas, went back to my dad's house and picked myself up by the bootstraps. 4 real lanes, that pay. All right, this is what I'm gonna tell y'all. College without a roster spot. If you go into college and not playing sports any longer, pick a good major. You know what I'm saying? Network like practice. 3 new people each week. I wish when I went to college, I picked business. That was a good major. I tried to be a pharmacist at first, but with football, I couldn't do the chemistry and all them. It was just gonna be a tough ass. So I switched to business, supply chain management. The one thing I did in college, I met a lot of people, but I wish I would have networked harder, meeting kids from all different backgrounds. Even in high school, I wish I would have networked harder. So meet 3 new people each week. Just say hi, what's up, follow them on social media. Just, hey, my name's whatever, introduce, make new friends. You understand me? Don't be introvert. Meet new people, put yourself in uncomfortable situations, and you never know who you sit next to. You could be sitting next to some influential people, some kids working on the next base app. You never know. So just meet people. Make you some content. You dig what I'm saying? 1 hour a week, Sunday. You gonna go to parties, you gonna hang out late, just take you 1 hour and record a video on whatever it is. Also, if you like sports, this is a bonus. Hang around the athletes. Record the athletes' content. If you like football, go up to the football player. Hey, let me make you a YouTube. Let me make you a social media. These kids are getting NIL deals. I'm pretty sure they'll pay you $200 a week to record they film, 500, whatever. I'll teach you how to package your knowledge up and do that as well. Get you a stand store and I'll make you an offer. But yeah, if you're the basketball team, girls, boys, basketball, baseball, these kids are getting NIL deals. You guys are smart to that. This is y'all generation. Go be their cameraman. Go run their YouTube. Go run their social media. Y'all have seen Shador Sanders, Travis Hunter. All these athletes are building big brands because they're doing social media. So build somebody else's brand. Record somebody else if you don't want to. This is how you hustle. Keep the brand safe. You know what I'm saying? Don't make your school look bad. But yeah, that's the college route. Next, graduating high school and don't go to college. Go to trade school. HVAC, electrical, welding, barber, apprentice, some stuff like that. If you're going to be a barber, electrician, a plumber, all that kind of stuff, go do it. You know what I'm saying? Document that process. Hey, I'm going to electrician school. I'm going to plumber school. Give advice on it. You dig what I'm saying? Just pay attention and go get you a trade. Trades are not going nowhere. I don't think AI is going to do anything to the trades. We still need the roofers and the plumbers and the builders and all that kind of stuff. They're going to have a good lane. So that's another good route to go after. Third, military. You know what I'm saying? You get good skills, benefit. It keeps the teamwork that you've been doing if you played sports. I remember when my NFL was over, the military, the army, and those folks used to call me all day because they know I had similar, you know what I'm saying, skills. And I was about to go apply for them, but I got a job in Virginia, so I didn't mess with it. But that's a common thing, like teamwork, discipline, all that, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, all that kind of stuff. That'll be good for you. It's still, you know what I'm saying, physical training, packing list times, discipline. You already got the skills for it, you know what I'm saying? Last but not least, if you're going to join the workforce, hey, join it. But this is what I challenge you to do. If you're going to go get a job, go work for somebody, a CEO, go work for somebody that's super advanced in business who you look up to. Don't just go to McDonald's. I mean, you got to go, just go to fast food, but try to work for somebody who is like next. Like I ain't Elon Musk, but a CEO. Go find a CEO or a top dog at a company and really learn from them. Apprenticeship, you know what I'm saying? Use the day job to fund your channel. Even if you got to work at McDonald's, use that, work your money at McDonald's, then come home and document something you like to report on. What's your hobby? What's something you would do for free? You could talk about all day for free. That's what you need to shoot content on. Niche down, teach one thing that you learn. So if you like basketball, make 100 videos on why you like basketball, different players. If you like snowboarding, if you like hiking, go to a new park and show, hey, I like hiking in this park today. I'm going to this park today. If you like physical working out, hey, this is the workout I do to stay in shape. Just show whatever you're doing and make 100 videos of it. You dig what I'm saying? So my first job as a teen, I was school. I played football, but I was on the crew. I went to Baylor High School in Chattanooga and we had like a landscaping. So it was me and like 4 of my football buddy friends. We would just work and I think I was making $7.25 an hour. We had working with some grown dudes. They was jealous of us. Like we was making $7.25 an hour. I never forget. I used to work that job in the summer, save my money, go buy me a T-Mobile Sidekick. If you don't know what a Sidekick is, go look it up. That's y'all research. But it taught, you know what I'm saying, the hustle, get my shoes up. And if I wanted to work hard, that was probably the hardest job I ever had too, because we was raking football fields, we was cutting bushes, we was in the hot sun all day, every day, 8 hours. Then we had to go to football practice. But we was young, we was fun. I was with my boys, so that's what happened. That's my first job, though. It was a little crazy, but we was lit. Though. Shout out to Coop, Evan, Jock, BJ. We was all out there making it happen in the field, though. But yeah, what things to do if you want to get a job. If not, you'll figure it out. But shoot content, document everything, show somebody how to do something. That's it. Add value. That's what it's all about. The 7-day Sarter Sprint. This is a clean recipe that you can use and make it happen. I'm gonna give you a challenge each day. Write one sentence promise for people like you. What's something that you can help people do? Think about it. Day one, write it, get to ChatGPT, help ideate, ask them what's a business you can make and go online and make content about. That's easy. Something you like. Record 1-minute video a week on your phone. One promise, one story, one call to action. Pull 5 hooks from your first line. You should start with a problem, empathy, answer, change, and end result. You should make anywhere from 10 to 20 reels from that first video that you make. Schedule a week across shorts. All them clips, post a long form on whatever you want to, but take them clips and put them on YouTube Shorts, IG, TikTok, LinkedIn, Snapchat, every way. Next, run a 10-10-10. DMs the people who like your video, 10 comments on stuff, and send 10 emails to different people trying to get business and awareness to your product. Next, go live. Teach one thing on live, invite them to your page, and see what you got to do. So go live. Have confidence. You dig what I'm saying? A week, you just learn more from this than you did in class. What changed in 7 days? You dig what I'm saying? So I'm teaching you what your teachers ain't. You know what I'm saying? All my high school students, get on that content game. Let's get it. I want all y'all to be rich. I want all y'all to be famous. I want all y'all to be make it. Because 93% of y'all ain't going nowhere else after this high school sports career, though. Make your first $1,000 online. I'm going to teach y'all. Most of y'all are good with y'all's phone. You can use your phone to do all this. Start helping other people create content, edit shorts for local creators or teams. Like I said, all high school have a sports page now. You know what I'm saying? Most colleges got a social media page. Find you if you like sports, hang out, find one of these superstar athletes and start making content for them. Hey, let me run your social media. I know y'all are making $500,000 a year in NIL money. Let me get $1,000 to run your social media for you. I guarantee you they gonna say yes. You gonna help sell and bring them brand deals. They gonna love you for life. Or you could train the youth in your position group. If you was good in high school and you didn't make it to college, you could still got the skills to train. You know what it takes. You know what a weight room. You know what it takes. You know what to do. You can tutor freshmen on studies. You can tutor people how to study. That's easy. Parents pay for tutoring all the time. Teach people how to learn and what you did, how you got through high school and on your level, how to got to college, what tests you got to take, whatever you learned how to do. Reselling or local business content packages. Go to local business owners and tell them to do content. You kids have the skills to just use your cell phone and make money. This right here is a moneymaker. Record with the camera, post, run the social media. You know how many old people in the world don't know how to use the iPhone? They want to be on the internet, but they don't know how to do it. They will pay you good money. Old folks have all the money if you don't know. It's a wealth transfer going on. All the old folks have a lot of money. Go tell them you'll run their social media for $500, $1,000 a month. It's simple math. Get you 10 people at $100 a month or 5 people at $200 a month. That's how you gonna get it. Easy money. But I would try to get one person at $1,000 a month. But I know y'all might be scared. I don't feel like y'all got no experience, but get with me. Hit me in the comments. I'll show you how to build some products and packages and go sell your products. You dig what I'm saying? Get you a one pager, 1 hour of content for who? 1 hour, 1 week of content for who? What they get this week, one blurred out screenshot, book a 15-minute call. That's all you need. The software, you can use StanStore, you can use Zoom, you can use WAP, It's a lot of places where you can get you a link in your bio and have people start sending out text messages to do business. You can walk in businesses and offer them, show them your phone, show them your portfolio. You dig what I'm saying? Get you a DM opener to DM people. I help students and athletes turn 1 hour of content, 1 week of content that books call, 1 or 2 minute demo. Hey, you young at your age, you can put in some work. You dig what I'm saying? The first time a stranger paid me online, I gave him a $9.99 course. When I made my course, I put it up, started saying it in my videos, sales was jumping. The first time I made money online when I was sleeping, woke up to my Shopify with $9.99, I knew it was over. $9.99 my life. I done made a lot of thousands of dollars, but that first internet money, I don't care what nobody says, will change your life. Let's get it. No time. You balance school and practice and partying. You can't tell me you can't find 1 hour a week to record content, post it, and help serve yourself. This is how you clone yourself. You dig what I'm saying? No niche, serve your past self. Teach what you just figured out in life. If you just learned how to cook, if you just learned how to drive, teach somebody else that. It's 8 billion people in this world. It's a lot more people who don't know how to do this simple stuff. You think it's regular. They don't know how to do it. No gear, phone, window, light, quiet room. Set this up, record on it, talk to you can't talk no more. No audience, borrow one, comment with value, collaborate. You might know somebody with a lot of followers. Hey, can we do a collaboration? Can we go live? Get in front of the audience and get active. You dig what I'm saying? When I made progress with no resources, hey, I just did it. I just committed to doing 100 videos. And when I looked up, I started making sales. I got better each video and success happened. You just learn and learn the journey. Don't take my word for it because, just go look at Mr. Beast's page. Go look at Mr. Beast's first video. Go look at Casanet first video. You know what I'm saying? Just go look. They didn't go, but now over the years, they first video that probably had 100 likes now got 500,000, a million views. You understand what I'm saying? Think about it. I'm talking straight YouTube too. So, hey, you can take it or leave it. I don't care. I want y'all to do well in life. So it's up to you. The choice is yours. Everybody ain't gonna make it though. Reality check, round 2. That 93% number is not an insult. It's information. Use it. Whether you choose college, a trade, the military, straight to work, you can build you a brand that pays. Don't think you got to be something famous. Everybody started with 0 followers, 0 likes, all that. NIL talk gets the headline, but the real money is attention plus systems. The NIL market is projected to be around 1.67 billion. Attention pays, so build yours now. Hey, I know somebody who won without hype because they showed up every week. You dig what I'm saying? That's my boy. You know what I'm saying? Rico. I know a lot of people who made it. Gino, Anthony Levine. That's perfect though. Anthony Levine and Dominique Rogers-Cromartie. Vinnie Pooh, he worked so hard, showed up every week, and was a dog out there on that field. Ended up playing 13, 14 years with the Ravens, won 2 Super Bowls with Green Bay and the Ravens. He made it. So he showed up every day. And that's what you can do. You show up with this camera, phone every day, I guarantee you, in 100 videos, you'll see success. But you got to commit to 100 videos. You understand me? So, hey, join the People First. Students, I think for y'all, I'm going to make my 1 hour, I'm going to make everything free for y'all, just the ebooks and all that stuff, because I really want y'all to succeed and win. But if you want to join my community, I don't even know what the price is. I'm gonna check with the price. I'm gonna go make it, but affordable. But for real, I'm gonna give y'all the 1 hour content cure for free. Make 100 videos. We build your system. 1 long video a week, 1 hour, 1 week of content. Link in the description. First comment. Y'all do this, man. 93% of y'all ain't gonna make it, keep playing sports, but still don't make y'all make it in life. Y'all become a boss. Y'all start creating content. Y'all still building the brand right now. I guarantee you in 4 to 5 years, if you start now, in 4 to 5 years, you'll be a millionaire without a doubt. Start now. Let's get it.